So hey guys, this is Nias, and in this video we are going to solve the day 5 loops problem on the 30 days of code that is present on the HackerRank website. Okay, so I think you already solved this problem, but my job is to just give you the explanation, so that's why I'm doing this. So okay, so in this video what we need to do is, in this problem what we need to do is we need to use the loops in any programming language, and we already know the how to perform the loops in the any programming language. Just like I'm using the Python for this problem. Okay, so what we need to do is, in this problem we have given an integer variable, okay, and that is going to given by the user. Okay, what we need to do is we need to print its 10 multiples, first 10 multiples. Okay, so each multiple will be and multiplied by the I, where I is the less than 10. Okay, so this is just a simple problem. What we need to do is, if we have given the value of the n is equals to the 3, then what we need to print is just a simple table of multiplication table of the number. Okay, so I'm going to give you my own code. So what I have done here is, so first of all, if you face any problem in any other programming languages while writing this same code, then you can also comment down below, so I can give you the explanation on any other programming language as well. Okay, so what we have done here is that we have taken the input from the user, that is taken by the input function, and we are going to convert it into the int variable. Okay, and then we are going to take the for loop from the 1 to 11. And why we have taken the 11? Because it is not an inclusive range, means the for is not including the 11, it's going to be performed from 1 to 10. Okay, and then what we have done is we are calculating the s is equals to the n multiplied by the n. We are, and if you are printing the s is value here, but we can also directly paste this line of code here at the place of s, but and this will give us the reduce the size of the code. Okay, so but this is just a simple problem and there is no any complexity, so that's why I am giving you this such of sort of answers. Okay, so we have just print the value of the n. Okay, first of all we have print the value of the n, then we are going to print the sign of multiply, that is going to be the small l. Okay, and then we are going to print the value of the I, and then equals to the sign, and then we are going to print the value of the s. Okay, so now I'm going to run the code. So this is just a simple problem, so I think the test case will be passed, and the test case is passed, and now we are going to submit the code. Okay, so I hope you can understand the problem as well as also the solution and explanation that is going by given by the me. Okay, so the test cases are running and it will take some time because my internet is slow. So that's it, all the 3 cases is passed, and now this is just a simple problem, so I have given explanation to all of you. So if you find any problem with any other problems, then you can also ping me throughout my social media, or you can also ping me on my website, or you can also comment down below on this video. Okay, so that's it for this video. Bye bye.